And there's the red light on high. And, you know, really good for walking. It's reaching out to good, probably 30, 40 feet. So really easy to navigate down a path. I like a good red light on a flashlight. The clip light I like better than a headlamp. Headlamps are uncomfortable. It can get sweaty, especially in the summertime. But a clip light, you clip that to the sternum strap of your backpack, and it's a lot more comfortable. And you can turn your head and talk to somebody without blinding them. So I like it. This is a very good light, very good usable red light. It's very bright, and it's also got a very good strobe, and the turbo is very useful too. Very nice, great light. Hey, welcome back. Olight sent us the Oclip. This is the Pro S model. So it's a really good looking light. Let's take a closer look. This little flashlight came in a box, cradled in a piece of plastic with a USB-A to USB-C cord and a really good user manual in several languages. So here are your light sources. You've got your UV emitter here. This is your red, green, and blue emitter. And this is your white light emitter. It has a bezel around it and then a piece of plexiglass on top of that. Seems well protected, and it's really classy looking. It's got gold lettering, this gold bezel, and gold icons there. And on this black body, that really looks nice. I like that. It's a beautiful looking light. Feels like it's really solid construction. And you know how a lot of lights have a little rubber tab here to get to your USB-C port. This one is hinged. Look at this. No more lost little rubber thingies. You've got this little hinge thing. That's really nice. Really well built. I don't think I've ever seen one like that before. That is really, really a nice touch. The spring has got a lot of tension on it, so it will stay clipped. And there is some rubber material in here and some kind of ridges in there too. So it's going to stay clipped whatever you clip it to. And the clip is also magnetic. Here's your controls on the side. You've got your button for on and off and then to switch between modes. And then you can go to your UV emitter, your white light emitter, and then your red, green, and blue emitter. There's a little indicator light here, and when you're charging, it will blink red when it's charging, and then when it's fully charged, it will turn to green. All right, we're about 5 feet back from a wall that's been painted with a highly reflective movie screen paint. And I'll show you the different modes. So there's low, medium, and high. So moonlight is 1 lumen, and then low is 10, medium 100, and then high is 300 lumens. And then turbo is 600 lumens. Very bright light. And it's really usable too. And it's a good quality light. There's no, there's a little bit of a hot spot in the middle, but there's no real artifacts in the light. It's a very clean light. And here we are on low in red, and then high in red. So it's got a really good red light. There's the UV. Don't know if that's showing up. There's the UV on high. And on that, this movie screen paint, I can see little dots in there like kind of stars, and I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's the silver that's in this movie screen paint, but really cool. I hope that's showing up. When you first get this, it will come locked out. It's got a lockout feature, so to unlock it, you just push it and hold it for 2 seconds, and it'll unlock. To change the brightness level, you just press and hold. To get to that 1 lumen moonlight, just from the off position, press and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. And that's your moonlight. To get to turbo from the off position, double click. And that's a very bright turbo. To get to strobe from the off position, triple click. To get to the beacon from the on position, triple click. You're in the red, green, and blue position, and you want to change colors, double press. And to change the intensity of the light, from going from low to high, just hold it down. Here are your brightness levels and your run times. This only weighs 1.87 ounces, so under 2 ounces, that's 53 grams. It's really lightweight. It's really small, compact. And it's about 2.5 inches, a little less than 2.5, maybe 2.25 in that direction. And counting the top of the bezel, it is maybe an inch. So it's really compact light. About an inch in that direction too. So easily pocketable. It's a great EDC light. Okay, let's take it outside and see what it looks like in the dark. There's low, medium, high. There's turbo, and turbo. Really good floodlight. It's very good for walking around. There's your strobe. So that's a really good strobe. It's reaching out really good. That's pretty amazing. Nice. Very good. And there's the red light on high. And, you know, really good for walking. It's reaching out to good, probably 30, 40 feet. So, really easy to navigate down a path. I like a good red light on a flashlight. The clip light I like better than a headlamp. Headlamps are uncomfortable. It can get sweaty, especially in the summertime. But a clip light, you clip that to the sternum strap of your backpack, and it's a lot more comfortable. And you can turn your head and talk to somebody without blinding them. So I like it. This is a very good light. Very good usable red light. It's very bright. And it's also got a very good strobe. And the turbo is very useful too. Very nice. Great light. Well, thank you, Olight, for sending this along for us to check out. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel out. I'll leave links to this in the description. All right, catch you on the next one. Bye.